According to a candy company, packages of a certain candy contain 24% orange candies. Suppose we examine 500 random candies. Part A asks, what value should we expect for our sample percentage of orange candies? Well, I think that's precisely this percentage here, so those should be the same. But for part B, it says, what is the standard error? Now, there's a formula for this, which I'll bring onto the screen. So this formula says that we're going to take P, multiply it by 1 minus P, and divide by N. Here, P is going to be the probability that we get from this percentage, so I'll write 0.24 instead of 24%. And then 1 minus P will be 1 minus 0.24, or 0.76. N is the sample size, and then I'll take the square root of that number, and I can do this all in a calculator. All right, so let me pull up a calculator here. So again, P is 0.24, that's for the 24%. I then would multiply that by 1 minus P, which is 0.76. I take this number and I divide it by 500. Okay, the only thing I've not done in this formula is take the square root of this number, and I'm going to push this button to do that. And so we get this thing here, 0.019 and so on. It says to round this to 3 decimal places, so that would be 0.019. All right, so that was 0.019. And lastly, we're going to fill in here, use your answers to fill in the blanks below. So we expect, 24% orange candies. Give or take, we can now convert this standard error into a percentage by multiplying by 100. So that will be 1.9%. And that is it for this problem.